Hi friends, this is Deepak here. Today I am just going to explain you brief overview about profiles, permission sets, and how to create a users. Before that, just see here, user creation. If you want to create a user, it is mandatory. No, it is not mandatory. It is recommended to do this. First, we have to analyze the permissions to the particular user where then we have to create the profile to the user by choice of standard profiles. On standard profiles, so we will see first user. If you want to create user, first we have to create profiles and then permission sets, optional. Okay, I'm just gonna overview here about what is profile. Profile is a collection of settings and permissions. Profile is a collection of settings and permission in an organization which can able to control app settings, tab settings, page layout, record types. I'll note down app settings, tab settings, page layouts, record objects, record types, and we have something called object levels, object level access, field level, security, login users, login hours, IP ranges, Apex pages, VF pages. These are the settings which can be controlled through profiles. Then what is meant by permission sets then? Permission sets are nothing but which can give extra benefits to a particular user which is assigned by a profile. So we will see the practical now. So the thing is setup and manage users. Wait a minute. Manage users, and we have something called profiles. First we have to create a profile before creation of user. So I'm just gonna create new profile. So now I will choose standard platform user, that means Salesforce standard user. So these are the API name, existing profile names in a Salesforce. So Salesforce platform user, see the license, Salesforce platform. So this is the standard platform user is the profile name, and the standard platform user have a license type called Salesforce platform, where I am naming, for my naming convention I am naming here as a ILD underscore standard standard platform user. So now what I am doing here, here I am just cloning the permissions of standard platform user settings to a new custom profile name which is called to be ILD underscore Salesforce platform user. Nothing but I am just cloning here from an existing profile to a new custom profile which is user defined. So here we are seeing the something called, see, page layouts, console, and here we can see apps, field level securities, record types, administrative profile, journal users, and then here you can see standard object permissions. These are the options which can be editable. So what I will do here, I'm just gonna create a new user here. How to create a user, and I'm just deactivating this one user. I'm just deactivating. I will just show you how to create a user. Just click on deactivate. Okay, save. So I'm creating a new user by by choosing choice of new user button where I'm providing the values. So I'm just providing the mandatory fields. So I'm just providing user one, user. Here also I'm providing user one, email, and Pavitra, type your email ID. Yeah, this is the email ID. Sorry guys, I'm in remote connection, so I'm just using the same. So what I will do here, user one at pavi.com. So nickname is user one again. And here you can see here something called user license. What is our license? It is the Salesforce platform user. Salesforce platform. If I select, I have two things, three. One is ILD Salesforce platform user, which is a user license type called Salesforce platform. So I'm just selecting ILD platform standard platform user here, and no time is required. What I will do, I will just save this record. That means this user, duplicate nickname. So already there is a one nickname. Okay, let it be. User stand da or the standard platform. This is my nickname. And Pavitra, just log into your email ID. So why I am used to log in here, I just want to validate my new user with a token. Here I have a link, see, login automatically. Just click this link. Yeah, once I click, it's just validated the user. So the new password, the custom password, and just provide the password please. Pavitra, just provide the password. And okay, let's see. Now, see, the user has been created. So what I will do, I'm just going to close this user, and I want to open this user in a new browser. And as of we know that the login for a Salesforce is login.salesforce.com for developer version. Okay. And the username which I forgot it here. I have here. I can see here. User1 at pavi.com. Okay. User1.pavi.com. Just gonna enter here. Hello. And why I'm logging here, I just want to show the difference in profile level settings. And just pause the username, login, and just provide your phone number here. United Kingdom, London. Yeah. And make sure that just a minute, don't type your phone number. And I'm just wanna pass my phone number. Once I validated, I will show you. You received your phone number message in your mobile. Just enter your text there. Yeah. Here I can see the number of apps available is Pavitra only. Pavitra. Right. So I'm gonna here accounts. See, I'm just opening a new record in user. I'm seeing here something called phone number, right? Phone number. Just concentrate on phone number. Now what I will do, I will pass a field level security in profile. See here, I'm just gonna profile. What happened to here? In open ayyunnai. Okay, see here, I'm just gonna pass something called, okay, what I will do, oh, scroll down, just navigate to your profile. What is profile name is ILD standard platform. Just click on ILD standard platform user, and something called, you have a field level security. See here, field level security. For which object do I have to write a field level? Account object. On account objects, just click view, and you have an option called edit. User 1. Okay, and do one thing, Pavitra. You just log out and log into your account. Okay, click login. And what I will do here, I will go for a manage users and navigate till profiles. Profiles, where you can see something called here ILD standard platform user. See here. Here we have ILD standard platform user. Just click, and you can find something called field level securities in the page layout of profile. Just click on account, because I'm just wanna security level at account object. So account object, and just click edit. These are the available fields in account object. So in that I am concentrating only I want to disable field level accessibility of phone number in a user 1 phone number. Just see here, it is a phone. I am just disabling, and before that I will show you. Here we have a phone number. Once I disable, you don't have access for a phone number in the next. Once I save this record, so what I will do, I will save this settings. I will save which reflects. So what I will do here, I am gonna refresh in a user 1. It is a user 1. See, if you want, I just confirm you. It is an user 1. I'm just gonna refresh the link. See, we don't have a phone number. That means we understand that we can provide a securities or controls or profiles for a phone number, right? You got my point, right? Hello, you got my point, right? Yeah. So let's see. I want to make now. I want to show the what pro, permission sets will do. What I will do here. Here something we call permission sets, right? So permission sets. So I will create a new permission sets, and label of permission sets is ILD standard platform user, and API name always conventional, and user license is Salesforce standard platform user. So same platform you have to select Salesforce external. Something called platform user, where it is Salesforce platform user license type is Salesforce platform. Saving. So no, we have something called here app permission, app settings, and object settings, and custom permissions. So in that object setting, just click on object settings. So in that object, click on account object. So something we have called edit, just click edit. Again we are seeing these are the mandatory, and here phone field is not enabled, just enable phone field. I just enabled here. So consider I am enabling the phone field at permission settings, permission sets. Save, just click save, and manage assignment, where I have to assign this permission sets to a user called user 1. So what I will do here, I will add user 1 for an assignation, assign, done, just click done. So once it's saved, what I will do here, here we have no when settings from through profile, we don't have phone number here. After giving permissions from permissions, what will happen? So phone number is enabled. It is only a read field, no written field. So what I will do here, because I just provided only read only permission sets. Permission sets, how to edit? Just click object settings again, object settings, and select the particular current object account on which object you have to provide. Just click edit, and something we have called, I just given as only read field, I will make it as a write field. So save. So it got saved. What I will do here, see here it is only read only field. Once I refresh the link, you will get a read write field. See, now we have an option called read write. This is how. Now from this what we understand exactly, let's see. Notepad. Permission sets will add more benefit to user, which is given by profiles. Permission sets will allow us to add more than more features than profile permissions, but permission sets will not have reduce uh, reduce the features which is given by profiles. Here what I mean to say, permission sets will always add advantage to the settings of a profiles, but when the profiles are given more advantages and we are not, and permission sets have no rights, that means permission settings will not override the advantages of profiles. The permission sets will only override the disadvantages of a profile. That means the profiles which are limited at profile level, there will be some restrictions which can be enabled through a permission sets. Consider if there is a permission from profiles which cannot be restricted to permission sets. So what I will do here, I will plot a diagram for you, say fine. So consider see here the diagram, I can try to understand clearly because I am not good at painting. Consider this is P is a profile, PS is a permission sets, and P is a profile, P is a permission sets. Here consider I am giving 2 here, that means 2 rupees in this profile level, and sorry, this is not a permission sets, and this is a permission set, permission set, permission set, permission set, permission sets plus profile result plus profile. So here I am giving to 4 rupees, consider 2 rupees. Total the profile will get 4 rupees. Where I have a 2 rupees here, I have 4 rupees. Here I am trying to reduce minus 2 rupees and it reflects only 4 rupees. So now you understand, I hope. The permission sets is only useful, is only benefitable or overrides which can add more features to a profile, which the profile already have a more features which cannot be reduced through a permission sets. I hope you guys are clear, or else you just go on a Google search and you will find some documentation regarding profiles and permission sets. Okay. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I'll get back you on roles and responsibility, role hierarchy in the next section. Thank you.